Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So as you can see, we are opening up the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. So this is a monthly jewelry subscription, as you can probably tell. If you haven't seen my past unboxing, I'll tell you a little bit about it. And of course, I will link Silver and Gold's website down below. They actually have several different jewelry subscriptions, but the one we're opening today is a jewelry box, and this one is $49 per month. And you get at least 2 pieces of jewelry every month and then an extra item, which I believe is right here. We'll check that out in a bit. And they use sterling silver. It's plated and authentic, and it's high quality jewelry. The value is always over $100. We'll see. They kindly list it in there. Actually, it says what is on there, but let's open it and then we'll peek at what the name is. Isn't this so cute? So it comes in this little pull-out like jewelry case, so you can keep it in here. It has this like marble look and a swan. So let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a set. Beautiful. So we have this necklace here and then 2 hoop earrings. So let's look what it says in the back here before we take it out. 14 karat gold over sterling silver sparkle hoop pendant and earrings. The value is $132. I think this is great. It's holiday season too. If you know someone that likes jewelry and they're not into like costume jewelry, they're more into like high quality pieces, the sterling silver and like 14 karat gold. This is really cool. I don't have anything like this. I think the earrings are my favorite, but I like how they come in a set. Let me see if I can get this out. Actually, I'm just going to leave it in here. I think it's just one of those that actually closes. Oh, there it is. Okay. I actually like this kind. These are easier to get on or off than others. Oops, I kind of bent it. Like it just goes in that little thing there. So up close, this is what it looks like. And we can look for that little stamp. I know some people like for me to look, so I'm gonna check it out even though I don't have the best vision. Right, sorry guys, I was just looking to see if I could see a little imprint and I got distracted. I don't know if I see it, but I will look on the other piece. Oh wait, I think it says it like on the inside of here. My vision's not the best. But anyways, they do use sterling silver. You can read all about them on their website. These are really pretty. And let me show you this up close. Yeah, I really like these earrings. I can see myself wearing this set around holiday time. I actually have my family coming in around Christmas, which is great. So the last time I opened this box, I'll link it down below. They kindly sent me all different types of items that could be included as the extra like bonus gift. So like I said, you get at least 2 pieces of jewelry, and then you get like a jewelry related accessory, I guess you can call it, with it every month. And in the last shipment they sent me, I got a whole variety of items that you can get. There's like a jewelry box where you could store your jewelry, and like a keychain that was beautiful, different types of jewelry. I don't know. You should check that out if you want to see. But it looks like this month we got a jewelry polishing cloth. It says, this silver polishing cloth is made of high quality cotton impregnated with a silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. Used as an ordinary cloth and lightly tarnished silver and silver plate to obtain a brilliant polish with a long-lasting protection against tarnish. It's 10 by 7 centimeters. Here it is. Nice. I was just thinking I needed one for something else. I couldn't find one earlier, so that's actually really convenient and super nice. And it's nice that it's made specifically for silver. So I'm going to put this back in. I feel like I messed it up, and now you guys can see it, what it looks like out. It's a nice size hoop. Very shiny because of my light. But this is so pretty, and I feel like this is so festive. Like, it's not like my everyday jewelry wear, but I feel like this is perfect for the holidays. So super happy with that. And again, it'll make a great gift. I received their Ring of the Month Club in the past. You can look up, I think I have a playlist just for all of their jewelry subscriptions if you want to check it out. But I've gotten a bunch of rings I love that are in my rotation of rings. And yeah, they also have some allergy specific boxes. So if you're like allergic to nickel or anything, I can't remember what the other one is, definitely check out their website because there is something for you. All their metals and stuff are high quality. Like I said, sterling silver, 14 karat plated gold, super pretty and long lasting too. I have had all the pieces since I received them still. So yeah, definitely check them out if you're interested. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. I love you guys so much. Have a great weekend.